Hello, today we will guide you through how to make org charts with Claude AI. To begin, open Claude in your web browser and start a new chat. This is where you'll create your organizational chart using a simple text prompt. If you're new to Claude, think of it as an AI assistant that can turn clear instructions into structured content. In this case, you'll use it to help generate the layout and hierarchy for your org chart. Once you're on the Claude page, the next step is to type a prompt describing the organizational chart you want to create, and then press enter. Try to be as specific as possible so the result is more useful right away. For example, you can describe the type of company or team, the departments you want included, and how detailed you want the hierarchy to be. You might ask for a basic chart with leadership and department heads, or a more detailed version with managers and team members under each section. The clearer your request, the better Claude can organize the information in a way that matches what you need. As you write your prompt, it helps to use straightforward language. You can mention whether you want a simple text-based org chart, a neatly structured hierarchy, or a version you can easily copy into another tool. If the first result isn't exactly right, you can always refine your wording in a follow-up message. That makes it easier to adjust roles, reorder teams, or simplify the structure without starting over. After Claude generates the result, review the organizational chart carefully. Make sure the reporting structure looks correct and that the departments or positions are arranged the way you intended. This is a good moment to check for missing roles or anything that needs to be renamed for your specific use case. Once you're satisfied with the result, you can either copy it or download it, depending on how you plan to use it. Copying is helpful if you want to paste the chart into a document, presentation, or another design platform. Downloading may be a better option if Claude provides an export format that suits your workflow. Before sharing the chart with others, it's also a good idea to give it one final review for formatting and accuracy. That's all it takes to make org charts with Claude AI. With a clear prompt and a quick review of the output, you can create organized team structures in just a few minutes.